Welcome to the UW Art Department. My name is Katie Hudnall, and I run the woodworking and furniture design area. Our art department encompasses a lot of different areas. We teach glass blowing, woodworking, ceramics, painting, sculpture, neon, graphic design, photography, printmaking, all of these different areas, and students can take classes in all of those things as they sort of develop their own language as an artist and decide what they want to do with some of those skill sets and some of those sort of concepts.
For the BFA program, I decided on that one initially because I was going into college looking for a program that would offer me more hands-on experience and a lot more studio time. And between all of the different art majors that the college offers here, the BFA program was the one that offered like the most studio-intensive program. And that was exactly what I was looking for, was getting more time in the studios and working with professors and doing independent studies.
Students in their first year of the art department go through what's called our foundations program. So if you don't have a background in art, that's what it's going to give to you. They take 2D design, 3D design. They're introduced to all kinds of different materials, different concepts, art vocabulary. They're learning art history, and they're sort of putting all of that together in their brains and then figuring out what their voices look like. What do they have to say, and what do they want to say, and what materials do they want to use to say it?
Some things that really excite me about the program I'm in currently is I really like the multidisciplinary approach to craft and like making and design. I find that a multidisciplinary approach is a lot more beneficial for me as a person, as I like to have many skills or things that I can use at my disposal rather than maybe studying one thing.
Our program is super diverse, and so we are sort of showing young people around the world that they belong as artists and creative thinkers in the world. So that's one of the most exciting things for me.